Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And
Today we gonna draw a Catxolotl, aka the Trisha made.
Catxolotl, the creature you made. Okay, here we go.
Okay, first we
hmm
we we made this.
Okay, so we make two circles like that. Is that the
Yeah.
eyes?
No.
Not quite. Okay, so I'm gonna draw one like that and one against it like that. Okay, so I got my two circles.
Then another one.
Okay, so a little. Okay,
Then do like this.
from there I make a shape all around like that.
Then make an eye.
Okay, so is this his eye?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm making, and the eye just has a stripe through it.
Yeah. Then we make a mouth. You either want it closed or open.
A mouth.
Yeah.
Okay, close the open. Let me see what you do.
Open mouth.
Can I make a smiley mouth?
Then make a V.
Oh, a smiley mouth is a V.
Yeah. Actually, don't forget about the tooth.
What tooth? Okay, okay.
Then
Yeah.
make other eyes.
Oh, so the eye is on the outside. Mm-hmm.
Then this.
Okay, so that is kind of a cat pupil thing.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Then let make same like this, but from the other side.
Okay, so those on the outside. Got it? And
Yeah.
one down there as
Yeah.
well. Okay.
Then add some look too.
Let me see. Okay, so whiskers.
Then we make the arm.
Two stripes for an arm.
Yeah.
Just here?
Then make a cat arm.
Oh, cat paw.
Yeah, cat paw.
So 1, 2, 3. Can I put little cat nails on it?
That way.
Okay.
Then make the leg.
Let's see. Okay, so I have hold on, let me see your drawing. So I have a leg coming down here.
I think I make a mistake. Is something like this and leg right here.
Well,
Yeah.
I think it's okay. Anyway, let's continue.
Then make the nail of it.
Okay, I can't see.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm making a foot and with nails on it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to make sharp nails like it. And I'm going to make it like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then make another one. Make another leg.
That's the other leg this side.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to make another leg this side. And same thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we add some fingernails.
Okay, we add the fingernails.
Then make a other arm.
Another arm this side.
Yeah.
With a cat paw on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Then we gonna make the tail.
So now it's time for the tail. Okay, so it's just tail going back here. And we're coming back up until those things.
Then finally add this.
Oh, okay, like extra taily bit.
Yeah.
Okay, is that my Catxolotl?
Yep.
Here we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's a Catxolotl.
Oh, and just one thing. You may customize it.
Okay, so you can customize your Catxolotl.
Yeah, like Minecraft or like dragon or forearm, or head, or cool Catxolotl, a wizard, a lion.
Okay, so you can do whatever you want to do.
You have something like
Okay, you can show it.
something.
Okay, so
Here the normal one.
yeah, Catxolotl.
Here the
Krug one.
right.
It rhymes with Krug. And that's the Minecraft.
Then and the dragon.
Or the little dragon wing.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And here the wizard.
The wizard one, magic.
And
The lion, the incorrect spelling,
Yeah.
but you can fix that again.
then a cool Catxolotl.
The cool Catxolotl.
And forearm.
Forms from Ben 10.
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, with 4 eyes.
Okay, so
Well, that means you make your Catxolotl a hero, like from your favorite movie or shows,
okay.
or make the like Peppa Pig or something.
A Peppa Pig. Okay, so any character you want.
Yeah.
Okay, so time for color.
Yep.
Okay, mine is gonna be pink or I don't know. I'm gonna make a blue Catxolotl. What do you think? What's your color is gonna be? You didn't think about that, huh?
I'm gonna make a Catxolotl with a cap
The Catxolotl with a cap
and a watch.
and a watch. Can I make my pupils a bit wider so I can see it's my pupils?
Yeah.
So I can point out which is the eyes here. I want to do that just so that now I can see what's eyes and what's not.
And shark.
Okay, I'm gonna color.
Yep.
Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our Catxolotls.
Yep.
Okay, so like Izzy said, you can customize your Catxolotl into any character you like. You got a cool one, you got 4 arms from Ben 10, got a lion, a wizard one with a wizard cap on, a magic one, and then we have the dragon, the Krug, with the, oh I see he's got Krug's clothes on.
Yeah.
I don't know what do you call that. What do you call that outfit? I'm not sure. And then we have the square one from Minecraft. Okay, the pixelated one. And
Yep.
there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. And always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
See you guys.
Yep.